Okay, this is the Strellson leather jacket that was bought about a year ago in Krakow, Poland. This is the model size 54, Empress London Lamb. Okay, it's a very nice looking jacket, but it has a manufacturer defect. After a few weeks of using, the leather was like tearing apart here. So because the store in Krakow was closed, I had to go and I went to the leather jacket manufacturer, who just replaced those parts. And these are the leftovers, the parts that were basically removed. And here's the problem. I believe this has a manufacturer defect, and this is the leather quality they have used, and it's just unbelievable. It's like a paper. Look, no, it's just tearing apart like this. I'm just using this is like a paper. I'm just using like 0 force. And after it was replaced, a couple of days later, so it was like used a few weeks in total, maybe. On the shoulder, it had a crack. It just fell apart. And this is the original piece of leather. And again, you can just tear it like a paper. This is like $500 jacket, and it's just ridiculous. The quality here is like this. So basically, I believe it's just one mistake. I know the quality, Strellson quality is good, but I'm going to send it back and I'm gonna ask for a replacement. I don't want to make it, I don't want to go public with this and somehow criticize the whole brand because they released a terrible product. I believe that just someone sold them a really poor quality of leather. And I have a car seats made with this leather, and they're strong. So this is just it's just ridiculous. Again, this is the part this part has been replaced here. So I'm gonna send it back, and I hope they will just replace the jacket and they give me a proper one. Yeah, I hope they'll understand. Otherwise, I just put it public and create a website and just warn people not to buy those products anymore.